I joined Dr. Bierbach's lab in the spring, and I just felt like I had a big impact here. Like I was able to do a lot of what the grad students can do to some extent and really make a good effort in cancer research. And this summer, I'm researching in Dr. Bierbach's medicinal chemistry lab.
Our research is concerned with discovering new drugs for chemo-resistant cancers. So cancers that don't respond to chemotherapy or cancers that become resistant to current chemotherapies in clinical use. And so we're taking several different approaches. We make unique compounds. We call them platinum acridines. They are hybrid molecules that are able to overcome the resistance mechanisms of many current clinically approved medications. And then, of course, we are interested in delivering them safely to the patient. And so that's what Andrew's project is concerned with, to deliver these drugs specifically to tumor sites and sparing normal tissues.
So essentially with cancer, the biggest part is how do we get that drug to the cancer tissue? The way that we're doing that is using a protein and transporting our drug in that protein. And then the cancer cells will look at this protein and they think it's a thing that they could use to grow. But then when they take in that protein, the protein will then dissolve and then releasing our drug into the cell. So we're trying different compounds. We're attaching different fatty acids, which is like an oil. So like stuff like olive oil that has fatty acids in it. And I'm attaching those different fatty acids to our compound and then seeing how well they bind, what is their affinity to the protein, essentially.
The undergraduate students over the summer have the opportunity to participate and learn firsthand what it means to discover and then develop a drug into something that can be used for a medical application.
So I'm able to do things that take longer, like measuring that fluorescence. Like that machine, it takes hours to measure that bonding because you have to keep going and trying different concentrations. As an undergrad, I definitely do not know everything. So having Dr. Bierbach as my mentor was very helpful. He's extremely knowledgeable and kind of can just come in the lab when I'm trying to do something which is not working perfectly and just kind of put his hand where it needs to be and it just happens to work usually. And then I work with David, who's a PhD candidate who comes up with the ideas and allows me to try them and get some practice with chemistry laboratory techniques. So I'll be applying to medical school, hopefully going to matriculating to medical school fall of 2027.